Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of CapCut. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about CapCut app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We will search about the application. We will search about the application of CapCut. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.